Hello guys, happy Thanksgiving. Hope you enjoyed your days with the holiday. And I got a question from one of the guys. He asked, is there really a Black Friday discount in the stock market? So I have made videos during this year's 1 year or 2 or 3, and whenever there is what we call a big correction in the market, okay, or small correction, I make videos and I explain and I give you the day where the move has begun. A lot of people who are like just following me, a lot of them, they have made money just because of the information I give. Now, why the people they rush for these deals in Black Friday? In business, it means when you go to buy something, because most of the businesses, because of the holiday, they give the biggest discount in the year. And a lot of people have been doing this for a long time, especially here in America. In other countries, maybe we have other kind of business discounts, but in America here or in the USA, this is so huge because you see the price before, and you are following, and then you see a very large drop, and a lot of people, they come and to buy. Now, this is in business, in retail, in if you want to buy a cell phone or a TV, or you buy whatever you want to buy, even small things for the kitchen, okay, you see all the people crowded and a lot of lines in order to buy this thing, which is so cheap compared to before original price. Okay, now what about the stock market? The stock market, let's give me a second. I know those who are not patient, and they told me you are making longer videos and they can't make it. Man, I should drink my coffee, and you should stop, or you should move your video a little bit, and just you will find speaking again. But I need to drink my coffee. Okay, think of what happened just 3 weeks or 4 weeks ago in 11th of November when we have the election. Okay, before it, the market was going down, and they are just waiting for the news because they get scared. See, when I say the elections, try not to begin to predict if Donald Trump won or Hillary Clinton won, what will happen, and the market will go up and down, and you are making predictions. For me, I will not make predictions. Why should I make predictions of the future? It's so risky to predict, because any stupid person can predict. But to make a trade and to make money, this is only for those who know how the market works. That's why the day before the election, which is the 10th of November, the market has gone up in one day, which is so good. The day of the election, it goes a little bit, but the third day, which is Wednesday, the market has gone so wild. And I make a video other day, and they say, please go check the indexes, and if you find the same as what I see here, try to find some stocks, a bargain, and just buy. Which is true. After 3 weeks or 4 weeks, we see that these 4 weeks the market has gone up so good. Okay, a lot of people, they have made money, although they have never taking my training or whatever, okay? Because the information I give is what I see now. It's not prediction. You can go to another channels, people who are talking about stocks, stock markets, and they begin to predict, oh, I think next year this industry will go and that stock will go down. And that. Okay, who tells you that you leave in order to see what's happening next year or next month or next day? Who tells you that you will leave? Okay, no one. There is no guarantee that you stay until tomorrow. So why you are speaking about something that you can't reach, or some people can't reach? So we speak about the day. That's why my strategies is based when we get a signal today. Okay, let's say I get signal today. At the end of the day, we buy at the end of the day, not in the morning, because in the morning the price is going up, but at the end of the day it goes down, and if we buy in the morning, we will have problem. That's why in swing trading, in my opinion, in what I do, I buy always at the end of the day, okay, not in the beginning, because I want to make sure that that day is strong. After 3 days or 4 days, 5 days, they should be strong also. In general, this is probabilities. Now, in the whole market, this is what we call a Black Friday for the market. What does it mean? It means when there is a major event, the stocks go up for a few days, and then they go up so wide with a very big, huge push up. Now you ask yourself, why? It's just because all the people in the market, those who have money, they are waiting for these bargains, like Black Friday. Okay? You see that, for example, Dow Jones was going up, and then after 3 weeks or 4 weeks going down, and then it stops suddenly. The next day it is so big, candlestick, green candlestick, and the stocks and that index going up. You should go to your index that you are following, either Dow Jones or S&P 500 or the Nasdaq 100, whatever index that you are. If you are following stocks, you should follow stocks in these indexes and put them in a portfolio, like in my chart. Put them in a portfolio, put the indexes, and just wait for opportunities. And then, and this, what I'm speaking right now, is my training level 3, how to search for stocks using industry index. It means you should find an index that's going up and it has an opportunity to make money, and then you go to the stocks. You do the same criteria, and then you choose some stocks. We have seen, for example, the pre-exit event when the United Kingdom had left European Union. Okay, it was just 2 days going down. The market was in a small correction, 2 days only, on Friday and then on next Monday. But on Tuesday, the market has gone up so good. So I make a video at that time. If you don't believe me, please go and check the pre-exit event and check my videos. Because for me, here, I'm doing business. I'm showing you things that if you just get these things from me, you will make money. Now, getting my training is you make money, but with the practice, and you have money, and you will succeed in the future, because this is something that it's not based on company fundamentals or the market, or it's always price. For us, we are always focused on price, and this is what we are doing, price. Okay, it's not something else. This is what we call Black Friday discount in the stock market. It means it's days where you see that the stocks go down, almost all of them, and then they stop suddenly, and then they go up again. Okay, this move is so nice. You can see it in all the major indexes. And training level 3, I teach this and I show you this. And if you can see training level 13, you can see how to buy from the support line, and this is what I'm talking about, okay, in terms of techniques and how to use them and how to find this kind of discounts. There are even discounts in stocks, okay. They go down for 1 week or 2 or 3, then they stop, then go up, and they make another trend. The trend could be 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 6 weeks, or it can become a very, very large trend, depending on the stock. Okay, so that's it for Black Friday discount. So if you want to follow this stuff, you can follow it on the small scale, which is stocks. You can put stocks in a portfolio, like in my chart. If you don't have my chart, please download it, or I will put a link here in the description for the chart for those who don't use my chart. Just you practice with it, even if you have never traded before, even if you are in another country, you can't use my chart, but try just to use it in order to learn. And then later, when you have a broker account, you can use his chart or any other chart. Okay. I got a lot of they were scared I will stop this discount for my training because they are huge training. So I will leave them for the weekend, for Saturday and Saturday, because of a lot of people. I will not change this. Now this is just an opportunity for those who are so busy. A lot of people have been traveling. A lot of people have been busy with this holiday, and they can't make their mind what they want. Because for me, I have 18 training levels. Some you don't need. Let's say you don't want to do options, for example. You don't need that training. If you don't want to invest with dividend, you don't need that, so you don't buy it. Or you can order it and you leave it for next year, and you just study it when you are ready to study investing or some. For all the other training, it's high time to begin 2017 with a new fresh mindset. Okay, to trade using what we call hit and miss strategies, this you will never make the money. Even if you make the money in 1 trade or 2 trades or 3 trades, but you will have a problem in the future. Okay, because you don't know how to manage your account. You don't know what takes your money. You don't know the momentum, when to buy and when to sell. There are other things, position sizing, and the total risk in your account, the total risk in your trade, and there are a lot of calculations that you should be aware of, and you practice it. It doesn't mean that you know something that you take advantage of it. Sometimes you know something, but you will never take advantage of it, and then when you lose money, you just check your account. If you are in red, it means that you are losing money, that your techniques, your skills are below the average, since you are losing money. Okay? If you make money and you lose money and you are flat, it means you have problems. You should just solve these problems with my way. You can take a training level 18 and you study these problems, 28 problems, and you fix. You should fix your problems in order to ameliorate. There is no magical thing about trading. I always say that trading is simple and easy, like last video. But a lot of people, they think it is something hidden. Some people know this hidden thing, that's why they make the money. No, it's just practice. The thing that are hidden is just the skills. You should trade. You should lose some money. It means if you buy a stock and you lose little money, it's okay, because it's part of the game. Now, if you can't lose any money, trading is not for you. Go and do a job. That's it. Because because any business in the world, you should have some risk. That's why a lot of people, they put millions of dollars in the stock market. Okay, if there is a big move, they will make a lot of money sleeping. Okay, that's why people, they like stock market. It means if no one is making money in stock market, it will collapse, like what did happen in the crisis of 1929. Okay, it will collapse if there is no money for the people. If you are not making money of your job, let's say you go to your job and after 2 weeks your employers say, okay, we don't have money. Okay, so you are doing charity here, so can you accept that? You will stop at the moment and find another job where you can get some money. Trading is the same thing. It's a business that it is based on risk, that you should learn. If you don't learn, I'm not saying, okay, go to my website and buy my training. Okay, I don't care where you buy your training. I will try to be so honest with you. I don't care from where you take your training, but there are some training that you will never understand anything because they put too much indicators, too much moving averages. You will never understand what you are doing, and you will have more problems because you mix everything. Okay, so thank you very much, and hope you enjoyed your holidays. And the market has been going up for 3 weeks right now from the elections, and we will never know when it stops. It can go to for 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, 1 year. We don't know. Okay, no one knows. If there is a crash in the market and there is a big correction, it can happen. No problem, because everything can happen in the market, either up or down. Okay, so just try to be safe. Put stop loss whenever something is wrong in the market. Just take your money from the market and wait and to see what did happen, or which stocks are you going to buy. The discount that I have will stay for the weekend, for Saturday and Sunday, and it will end on the midnight of Sunday. So for those who some people, they send me emails and they say, please can you leave it for the weekend, because some people are traveling. I honor always my promises, and I do what I can to help you. Thank you very much, and have a nice night.